Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Best Solution Line. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to create contours, ISO lines from a raster surface, mean DEM. From DEM, how to create contours. Okay, you know that contours are ISO lines which have equal elevation. Okay, so how to create contour lines. Okay, so this is a very easy method. Please follow the steps. Okay, for example, I have a DEM and it is for example this DEM. Okay, so this is a DEM file. Okay, now for this DEM file, how to create a contour lines. Okay, so go to arc toolbox, and then go to spatial analyst tool. Okay, spatial analyst tool. So in spatial analyst tool there are different commands, but you should to go to surface command. Okay, so click surface command, and there are different in surface command there are different commands. Okay, so click contours. Okay, so click contour lines. Now input raster, so input raster is the raster which is in this window. Okay, so click here, and this is a input raster. Okay, so this is the output polyline feature where is saved, so this is by default. Okay, so contour interval. Okay, so this is the interval which is the difference between two lines. So for example this is 100. Okay, 100, and base contour lines it is start from what value, to start from 0 value or start from 100 value. Okay, so and that is the factor. So the raster data is in feet, so 1 feet is equal to 0.348 meter. Okay, 0.3048 meter. Okay, 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meter. This is the z factor, which is the difference between units. Okay, so click OK. Now the contour lines processing is started. Okay, you can see below. Okay, so it is almost complete. Okay, so this is the contour lines. If you see, if you zoom in, okay, if you zoom in, so now you can see the contour lines. Okay, these are the contour lines. Okay, these are the contour lines. If you change the color of this contours to red, and you easily see it. Okay, so these are the contour lines which is for this DEM. Okay, so you can see the streams once the right side and left side is about equal, and the difference between the distance between is also more. If you see total shape, total DEM file, you change the color of this. Okay, if you change the color to this. Okay, now you can see here the different types of regions. These are the streams, yellow, and these greens are other regions, and this red is a other region. The highest is the highest region is blue, because you can see here that the blue is 7809. Okay, but there is a in feet, and our contour lines are in meter. Okay, so if you zoom in, you zoom in, and if you label these contours, so click here, okay, and label feature on, okay. So these are the figures, contour lines, elevations. If increase the label, okay, so go to properties and increase the value, okay. For example, this is 12, okay. Now you can easily see here the contour lines values. These are the values, okay. So hope you understand it, that how to create contour lines or iso lines for DEM, for a raster surface, okay. So for new tutorials, subscribe a best solution line, okay.